No. This is an easy day because I got upgrades. No one can defeat me. Because who could? It would be completely impossible. I'm going to kill you. Airplane down. That's nothing. Bro, what the heck? Eye of Death. I'm gonna glitch you out. Oh, come on. Snap. Oh. Bro, what the hell? Oh, this is his brother, guys. This is his brother. Hey, brother, how you doing? Wait, hold up. Come on, bruh. You're so easy to destroy. That's gone. Oh my god. Did you really think you would escape me? Snap, I messed it up. Hold up. Chat, hold up. I gotta organize this. I gotta be like, unfreeze. Get that out and boom, next. Bro, what the hell? Yo, none of these or a disabled gravity. Make him stand up. Ah! Die! Choo choo! Ah! I'm teleporting. Ooh. Your brother will die if you take one more. Ah! Ooh, ah. Thanks, brother, for passing him to me. Looks like you guys are too strong. I need to call my Red Titan. Boop boop, Red Titan, I need you. 2 Titans are here. Okay, coming. Choo, 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 choo. Did you see that? Brother! I can't. I've gotten frozen. Man, I wish Blue Titan was here. Do 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 do. Ah, come on. Why do you always get to start with the freaking attack? Stop it already. Arm has been off. Bro, why? Jing, 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 jing. I'm going to obliterate that. No, the heck you won't. Not a weakling like you could destroy it. Ah, that hurt. Come on, an ad, bro. What happened? Bro, what? Dude, what just happened? Can't be kidding, bro. Chat. There ain't no way I'm lying like this right now. Because my whole screen is... Frick! Ah. You're dying. Ah! Ah, that hurts. Haha, I could kill you with this weapon. This weapon has been broken off as well. Bro, what the heck is happening? All my weapons are off, and I'm getting hit. Yes, this has finally happened. My favorite day. Oh no. If you're going to do that part, you want to get ready. Oh my god. Dude, this is crazy right now because what you're about to see, they are completely ruined. Frick, I remember the last time. I can't watch. I don't want to watch this. My brother's too close to the explosion that's about to occur. I better back up. Guys, do you understand what you're hearing right now? I don't even want to look what is happening right now because all I'm about to see is my game freezing. My game has been literally freezed and I got nothing to do. This done. It's nighttime, so I can't show you the amount of damage I did to my sister's toy. It's too dark out. So I'm so sorry about that if you really wanted to see it. I'm just so sorry about that. Well, let's just get on to the episode. I'm going to get my things ready. Get ready. Shield protector, get ready. What is keep making that noise? I don't like this. I'm gonna upgrade speaker. Oh shoot! Frick! Get ready, speaker, and you think we could win this battle today? Yep. Too bad the friends aren't here. Guys, did you see that? Something just teleported right in front of our faces and disappeared. Hey, look. It's the strongest Titan. Let's not leave for this one. We just had to leave. Or else the blue Titan would, like, come and surround us. Don't go under there, Melon. Ah, frick. Yes, they miss. Ah, wait. I'm not stopping right here. What is up here? The control panels or something, bro? What is up here? What the heck is up here? But it's not letting me up. Frick! I've gotta go! What do you teleport it? Ah, frick. This is the worst time I've ever gotten to see.
I got it!
Frick! Come on, not this type of time, bro. Guys, I'm just gonna have to end this episode right here. Wow. You're ugly. Man. No. Oh my freaking god. We're dead. Oh, shoot. Okay. The whole entire solar system has been ruined. I can't handle. I gotta teleport. I can't teleport. I can't. I gotta teleport. And my teleporting ain't working. Oh snap. Oh snap. He is out, bruh. Is this? Why does this look like a fireball? I could use these in one of my videos, dude. Yeah, too late. Sorry, guys. Got it.